So we found the lead paint, and if we want to keep safe from it, best thing to do is keep everyone away from it. Right now, if you can swing it, just keep out of that space, especially kids and pregnant women. That's the emergency case. Play it safe and keep away. Lead's low and sneaky. All those boys and girls might not show symptoms, but they're still getting poisoned. What's a safe level of lead for my family and me? None. Lead's poison. Let's get lead free. But we got lead, and I know moving and improving may take time yet, so here's some actions to minimize the lead threat. 1. Got leaded doors and windows? Try not to open and close them. Less rubbing, less chipping, fewer lead bits in the wind that blows them. 2. Get a rag and some water. Wipe all those surfaces down. Use a mop or anything to keep that lead dust from spreading round. 3. Got shoes and work gear? Take them off and keep them outside. Just don't bring them in the house. Who knows what kind of dust they hide. 4. Wash your hands well before you eat or go to bed. Keep your living spaces and family's faces free from all that sneaky lead. 'Cause what's a safe level of lead for my family and me? None. Lead's poison. Let's get lead free. ASAP, we gotta fix this problem once and for all. Tell the landlord, homeowner, there's numbers they can call. Oh, big lead removal warning. Don't try to fix it on your own. Without the proper training, you just spread more toxic lead around your home. Get an assessment by an expert. They'll tell you all that you can do. Hire a certified contractor to do it right. And when they're through, you'll have a healthy home again. We call this process lead abatement. And that brings us back to our original lead statement. What's a safe level of lead for my family and me? None. Lead's poison. Let's get lead free. What's a safe level of lead for my whole community? None. Lead's poison. Let's get lead free.